guys to another one of my videos. My name is Party Animal and this is my YouTube channel. So what we're doing today is we're using these targets, 1, 2, and 3 in a video so that we can see which one reacts to a bullet. So what we're trying to do is our goal is to try to shoot a bullet through this and make it come out the other side without cracking the whole jar. So, if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our channel and please like and press the notification bell. So, without further ado, here we go.
Ding!
Obviously, guys, that did not work out as well as I thought it would, but we do still have a lot more tries. So let's go on to round 2. Another one like this.
Bud Light.
I'll give you 5 seconds. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell. If we do reach 3,000 likes, I will make more episodes like this. And please, guys, I really need likes. I really need the subscribers. So I'm trying to beat my brother's YouTube channel. But here we go.
So.
I hit it.
You did?
Yeah.
Crap.
Guys, we're getting a little bit better. It didn't completely shatter everything, but it did break the top of it off.
The light is strong.
So that did not work as well as we thought it would either. So let's experiment with this. This is a mason jar. And so, let's see if it does any better than the Bud Light.
Bud Light!
Here we go.
You did a little better.
It did a little better. It did chip the top. It did not go all the way through, I don't believe, though. It might have. Let's just shoot a little bit more so we can get a better image.
It's gone.
That mason jar did withdraw a lot better fight than anything else did. Let's give a shout out. Rest in peace, mason jar. Rest in peace,
Mason jar.
Rest in peace, mason jar.
Bye bye.
Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you
He's
guys.
trying to beat me.
Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. My name is Party Animal, and I'll see you next time.